Tinnitus, a condition characterized by ringing or buzzing in the ears, affects millions of people worldwide. In this video, we will explore the science behind Cortexi, an advanced solution for tinnitus relief. Cortexi is developed using cutting-edge technology and research, offering promising results for those seeking relief from tinnitus. To understand how Cortexi works, it's important to first understand the causes of tinnitus. Tinnitus can be caused by various factors, including exposure to loud noises, age-related hearing loss, earwax accumulation, and underlying medical conditions. These factors can lead to an overstimulation of the auditory system, resulting in the perception of sound when there is no external source. Cortexi utilizes a multidimensional approach to tackle tinnitus. Its innovative technology targets the underlying mechanisms of tinnitus, such as neural hyperactivity, neuroplasticity, and maladaptive neuroconnections. By modulating these neural processes, Cortexi aims to reduce the perception of tinnitus and provide relief to individuals suffering from this condition. Numerous clinical studies have been conducted to evaluate the efficacy of Cortexi in providing tinnitus relief. These studies have shown promising results, with participants experiencing a reduction in tinnitus symptoms and improved quality of life. The positive outcomes from these studies have generated excitement within the medical community and among individuals seeking relief from tinnitus. Cortexi is designed to be user-friendly, allowing individuals to conveniently incorporate it into their daily routine. The device can be comfortably worn and provides customizable settings to personalize the treatment based on an individual's needs. With regular use of Cortexi, individuals may experience a noticeable decrease in the intensity and frequency of tinnitus, leading to a better quality of life. In conclusion, Cortexi offers a promising solution for tinnitus relief, backed by scientific research and clinical studies. By targeting the underlying mechanisms of tinnitus, Cortexi aims to provide individuals with a way to manage their symptoms and improve their overall well-being. If you or someone you know is seeking relief from tinnitus, consider exploring the science behind Cortexi and its potential benefits.